For months, I was taking sales calls and barely closing anyone. I'd book 10 calls a week, pitch my agency services, send follow-ups, and maybe only one person would sign. But then I changed one thing about how I ran those calls. I went from a 10% close rate to 20% and built a six-figure agency in less than a year. And when I analyzed all 152 sales calls I took over the last 10 months, I found one pattern. The calls I won, I gave them so much value during the call that they felt like they'd be stupid not to work with me. And the calls I lost, I spent the whole time pitching and trying to convince them. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact 3-step framework I use called the value first close. It's based on the psychological principle of reciprocity. When you give first, people naturally want to give back. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restructure your sales calls so prospects are already sold before you even make an offer. I'm Hrithik. I run an AI content agency, built a 20,000 following generating millions of views every single month. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's the thing most agency owners get wrong about sales calls. They think the call is where you pitch your service. It's not. The call is where you demonstrate your service. There's a principle in psychology called reciprocity. It was studied by researcher Robert Cialdini, and basically it says that when someone gives you something valuable, you feel a natural urge to give something back. It's why when someone buys you coffee, you feel like you owe them one. It's why free samples at the grocery store actually increase sales by like 2000%. And it's why when I started giving away my best insights for free on sales calls, my close rate doubled. Because here's what happens in a typical sales call. You ask them about their business, they tell you their problems, you say, cool, I can help with that. Here's my package, it's $2,000 a month. And they say, let me think about it. But when you flip it and actually solve one of their problems right there on the call, everything changes. Because now they're not thinking, is this worth $2,000? They're thinking, holy shit, if he just gave me this for free, what happens when I actually pay him? So let me show you the exact 3-step framework I use to do this. This is the same process that helped me close 15 plus clients at $2,000 to $5,000 a month. Step 1 is what I call the diagnostic session. This is the first 10 minutes of any sales call. Most people use this time to build rapport and ask surface level questions like, so tell me about your business. That's a waste of time. Instead, I treat the first 10 minutes like I'm a doctor diagnosing a patient. I ask deep specific questions designed to uncover their real bottleneck. Not the surface problem they think they have, but the root cause that's actually holding them back. Here's my exact question structure. Walk me through your current client acquisition process. How are you getting leads right now? And when you do get a lead, what's your conversion rate from call to close? Okay, so if I'm hearing you right, you're getting X leads per month but only closing Y. What do you think is causing that drop off? Have you tried common solution in their space before? What happened? See what I'm doing here? I'm not asking yes or no questions. I'm making them think about their business in a way they probably haven't before. And the best part is that I'm taking notes the entire time. I'm literally writing down everything they say because I'm about to use it in step 2. Now about 10 minutes in, I pause and say this. Okay, based on what you just told me, I'm seeing 3 main bottlenecks. Want me to walk through them? And they always say yes. Because I just spent 10 minutes listening to them and actually understanding their business. By the way, if you want the full question list I use for this diagnostic phase, I put together a free client acquisition strategy guide that breaks down the entire discovery process. Link in the description. Alright, so now we move to step 2. This is where most people would start pitching, but I don't pitch, I solve. Step 2 is the mini solution. This is where I take one of the bottlenecks I just identified and give them a tactical fix they can implement this week. A specific actionable solution. Let me give you a real example. A few months ago, I got on a call with a coach who was making about $5,000 a month but had no consistent way to book sales calls. During the diagnostic, I found out he was posting on Instagram but getting 0 engagement. So instead of saying, yeah, I can help you with that, I said this. Okay, so here's what's happening. You're posting content but you're not giving people a reason to engage. Let me show you a quick fix you can use starting tomorrow. And then I opened a Google Doc, shared my screen, and literally wrote one reel for him right there on the call. I explained the hook structure, why it works, and how to adapt it for his audience. Then I said, post this tomorrow and watch what happens. I bet you'll get at least 3 times more comments than your last post. The call ended 5 minutes later. He thanked me, said he'd think about working together, and hung up. 2 days later, he DM'd me. Dude, that post got 47 comments. I've never had that happen before. When can we start? That was a $3,500 close. See what happened? I didn't pitch him. I showed him what it's like to work with me. I gave him a result before he even paid me. And because of that, there was 0 resistance when I made the offer. Now you might be thinking, but what if I give them the solution and they just go implement it themselves and never pay me? Great, let them. Because if someone takes your free advice, gets a result, and then doesn't want to see what else you can do for them, they were never going to be a good client anyway. But 90% of the time, they'll come back because you just proved you know what you're doing, you care about their success, and you can get them results. And that's worth way more than any pitch deck. Alright, so we've done the diagnostic, we've given them a mini solution. Now comes the part where most people mess up the close. Let me show you exactly how to transition from free value to paid offer without it feeling pushy. But real quick, if you want to see how I scale this with content so I'm not just living on sales calls, I built the AI content engine blueprint. It's free, link is in the description. Step 3 is the full transformation offer. This is how I transition from giving free value to making the actual offer. And the key here is I don't transition. I just keep going. Here's what I mean. After I give them the mini solution, I say something like this. So that's one fix you can implement right now. But if I'm being honest, that's just the surface level. The real issue you're dealing with is deeper bottleneck I identified earlier. And fixing that requires a complete system, not just a one-off tactic. See what I did there? I acknowledged that I gave them value, but I also made it clear there's a bigger transformation available. I'm not saying, okay, now let me pitch you my service. I'm saying what I just gave you is helpful, but there's a whole other level you're not seeing yet. Then I paint the picture. I say something like, here's what would happen if we work together. Week 1, we'd build out your complete client acquisition system. Cold emails, scripts, follow-ups, everything. Week 2, we'd optimize your offer so it's actually compelling to your ICP. Week 3, you'd start booking calls. Week 4, you'd close your first client using this exact framework. Now notice what I'm not doing. I'm not listing features, I'm not talking about modules or weekly calls or any of that. I'm showing them the end result. I'm making it tangible, week by week, step by step, and then, and this is critical, I stop talking. I don't say, so are you interested? I don't say, does that sound good? I just stop and let them process. And 9 times out of 10, they'll say something like, okay, so how much is it? Or when can we start? Or what's the next step? And that's when I know I've got them. Because they asked me. I didn't have to push. I gave so much value up front that the offer became the natural next step. Alright, so let me recap the 3 steps. Step 1, the diagnostic session. Ask deep questions to find their real bottleneck. Step 2, the mini solution. Solve one problem for them right there on the call for free. Step 3, the full transformation offer. Show them the complete system and make it tangible. That's it. That's the framework that took me from a 10% close rate to 20% and helped me build a $20,000 a month agency. The psychology is simple. When you give massive value first, people want to give back. And when they see what you can do for free, they can't help but wonder what happens when they actually pay you. So if you want help implementing this, I'm doing free strategy calls where I'll personally walk you through how to apply this in your business. We'll do a mini diagnostic session. I'll give you a tactical fix, and if it makes sense, we'll talk about working together. Link is in the description. Book a call and let's get you closing more clients. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.